Hello everybody, very beautiful toys, very amazing toys. Wow, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing, very beautiful, most beautiful animal. Wow, friends, all animal. Wow, so let's put them all in our basket. Wow, friends, this is a basket, very beautiful basket. Wow, friends, these are all full of mud, but we will wash them. Wow, friends, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow, hoo hoo, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow, wow, guys, very beautiful, very amazing. Hey, hey, guys, full mud, all animal. Wow, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. So, all friends, come quickly. Very beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow. Wow, friends, very clean water, drinking water. Wow, friends, all animals. So let's wash them and see which animal they are. Wow, friends, very clean. This is an elephant, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Oh, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, friends, very clean. This is a giraffe.
Dia je sebab kuda ya. Fikir-fikir. Oh, kayak kuda. Orang siapa? Ini rancak warna. Pin mana?
Giraffe, very beautiful giraffe, very amazing. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is an army, very beautiful.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Army, very amazing. Hey, hey, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, friends, this is a rhinoceros, very beautiful. Beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, friends, very clean. This is a ship, very beautiful ship. This is a domestic animal. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is a zebra, very beautiful animal. Very amazing. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a lion. And very dangerous animal, very dangerous. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is a cow, this is a domestic. Domestic animal, very beautiful animal. Wow, wow, friends, very clean. This is an anti. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? I think. Wow, friends, very clean. This is a horse, very beautiful horse, very amazing. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? I think. Wow, friends, very clean. This is a deer, very beautiful deer, very amazing. Wow. Wow, friends, very clean. This is a dog, very beautiful. Beautiful dog, very amazing. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is a giraffe, very beautiful giraffe. Giraffe, very amazing. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a tiger, very beautiful.
No, Chinese mentality.
Mummy, give me the.
Two parts of tiger, you choose their power and their vitality and their beauty. But unfortunately, that doesn't work and it isn't.
Beautiful animal, very dangerous animal. Wow, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Friends, today we seem to have got some good animal, very beautiful animal. Wow.